So if Remove.bg is not working in 2026, yeah, like it won't upload, won't process, or just keeps loading forever, don't worry. This is usually an easy fix once you know what's causing it. First, refresh the page or reopen the website. A lot of the time, the tool just glitches on the first load. Next, make sure your internet is stable. Remove.bg needs a solid connection to upload and process images. Now, try a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Sometimes the issue is just browser compatibility. If it still doesn't work, disable extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools. These can block uploads or scripts. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can prevent remove.bg from loading properly. Now check your image. Very large files or unsupported formats can cause upload failures. Try JPG or PNG for best results. If nothing works, open remove.bg in incognito mode. This disables extensions and gives you a clean session. Finally, if the servers are overloaded, just wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes the issue is on their end. And that's it. One of these steps should fix remove.bg not working and get your images processing again.